Well, other than it telling me that my fucking key fob is removed when it's not, that's pretty annoying because I can't tell you guys the gas mileage or the mileage of the car, which I was trying to do. But let's see if I can reenact the sound. Like, why is my turbo making such a odd squealing sound when I floor? It doesn't sound normal to me. Hey Volvo, I think something is wrong with the car. And this is what I told you guys last time. You guys didn't fucking do anything. So here's the video of it. Now I'm gonna stop the fucking car and I'm gonna figure out the mileage of the car. Cause I think I'm at like 42,000 and it's 44,000 on my sticker where you guys want me back, which was 4,000 after the miles I was at. I believe I was at around 39 when I took it in for service. But even at 39, even at 32, which is what I bought the car at, it was making this weird sound whenever the car is semi-cold, where the turbo is sputtering like that. You guys gave me no fucking attention when I showed you last time, so now I'm making a fucking video for you, I guess.
Testing. System ready.
It really just wants to. Interesting. A 2015 S60 Premier. You know, that's the really messed up part, is that I really like this car. But you guys are discouraging me from my own people. Well, I guess it's just gonna stay hung up like this the whole time. And there's the little silhouette. I'd imagine the car's powered off.
Testing. System.
1,000 miles. Alright. That's how many miles I've driven. Last service, 1,500.
Hey, alert.
But either way, turbo shouldn't be making that sound. I tried to tell you guys that last time. This time I'd like if you guys took it more serious.